Cumin seeds, scientifically known as Cuminum cyminum, have been used for centuries not only as a culinary spice but also for their potential health benefits. While there is ongoing research to fully understand their effects, some studies suggest that cumin seeds may offer certain advantages for individuals dealing with insomnia and diabetes. 1. Rich in magnesium, cumin seeds are a good source of magnesium, a mineral known for its role in promoting relaxation and quality sleep. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters, which are essential for maintaining a calm and stable nervous system. 2. Melatonin production. Cumin seeds contain trace amounts of melatonin, a hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Melatonin supplements are often used to combat insomnia, and cumin seeds may contribute to the body's natural production of this sleep-inducing hormone. 3. Anti-anxiety properties. Certain compounds in cumin seeds, such as cuminaldehyde, have demonstrated anti-anxiety effects in animal studies. By reducing anxiety levels, cumin seeds may indirectly contribute to better sleep quality. 4. Digestive aid. Poor digestion can disrupt sleep, and cumin seeds are known for their digestive properties. A well-functioning digestive system can prevent discomfort and promote better sleep by reducing the likelihood of indigestion-related sleep disturbances. Cumin seeds and diabetes. 1. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that cumin seeds may help regulate blood sugar levels. The presence of compounds like cuminaldehyde and thymoquinone in cumin seeds may have anti-diabetic effects by improving insulin sensitivity and lowering blood glucose levels. 2. Antioxidant properties. Cumin seeds are rich in antioxidants, which play a role in reducing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is linked to the development and progression of diabetes. Antioxidants in cumin seeds may help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, potentially benefiting individuals with diabetes. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is associated with insulin resistance, a key factor in type 2 diabetes. Cumin seeds contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation, potentially improving insulin sensitivity. 4. Cholesterol management. Diabetes often coexists with issues like high cholesterol. Some studies suggest that cumin seeds may help in managing cholesterol levels, which is crucial for overall cardiovascular health in individuals with diabetes. While the potential benefits of cumin seeds for insomnia and diabetes are promising, it's important to note that they should not replace medical treatments. Consultation with a healthcare professional is crucial for individuals with insomnia or diabetes to receive appropriate advice and care. Incorporating cumin seeds into a balanced diet may offer some health advantages, but a holistic approach to lifestyle, including proper nutrition, regular exercise, and medical management, is key for overall well-being.